Hello, this is Carrie from Woodinville Wine Blog, and today Jen and I did a field trip to Walla Walla to visit the parent wineries of our Woodinville tasting rooms. It is incredibly smoky. We're about to run for the hills, get back in the car, because we should not be seated outside during this. The smoke has rolled in since we got here. It's kind of disturbing. Anyway, we are here at Long Shadows in Walla Walla, in the Walla Walla Wine Valley. And we just did two separate awesome tastings. I want to tell you what we had. We had the 2018 Poets Leap Riesling. And while we were being talked to about the Riesling and explained that it's German style and it's an off-dry, the winemaker, Gilles himself, came out and chatted with us about it. Love it. Then we moved on to the Julia's Dazzle Rosé, which I want to point out you can often find it at Costco. It's a great price point for a Pinot Gris Rosé. Then Jen did a white flight. She did the 2019 Symbol Sauvignon Blanc. She loved it. She's super into Sauvignon Blanc right now. And then we both snuck tastes of the 2017 Dance Chardonnay. It is buttery and not too oaky. I was doing a flight of reds, and after I moved on from the Riesling, I tasted the 2017 Saggi, which is a Sangiovese red blend, and right now I'm loving Sangio. We moved on to the 2016 Pedestal Merlot. I'm a huge Merlot fan, so I was all over that. We moved on to the 2017 Pirouette, which is a Bordeaux style blend. I always love Bordeaux blends. And after that, this is a big tasting flight, people. Jen is driving, not me. We dumped a little. We're professionals. 2016 Chester Kidder Cab Sauv Syrah blend. And we finished with the 2016 Sequel Syrah. You guys know I'm not much of a Syrah lover. I really liked this one, and Jen was over it, and now Jen's craving a steak. She's like, we have to go out for steak tonight. Yeah. So we're here in Walla Walla. Normally we're not out here during the smoky season. We're worried about all of our friends in Oregon and Washington. And stay safe and stay indoors, or we're about to get the heck inside too and not breathe this anymore. Thanks for watching, and please follow Woodinville Wine Blog on Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, whatever your favorite platform is.